Today we are drawing the birdhouse and the bird. Yippee!
So, let's get started. We will start by drawing the birdhouse. For that, we will first draw the roof of the birdhouse.
Now, we will draw the walls of the birdhouse with a hole in it.
This hole helps our bird to move in and out of the house.
Next, we will draw the rope with which our house will hang.
Now we will draw the branch with some leaves.
After the birdhouse, we will draw a bird. Our cute little bird is also sitting on a tree branch.
Highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the birdhouse.
Pink. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Light brown. Now we will color both the branches brown. Black. We will color the bird's beak red and bird yellow. Then we will fill green color in the leaves. At last, we will draw some clouds in the sky. And it's done!
Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video!
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.